Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome on this Friday, ladies and gentlemen. This is an update on my Resolve position, how I'm getting myself out of debt with Resolve by selling cover calls, ladies and gentlemen, and selling puts, ladies and gentlemen, when we are able to. We did sell some puts this week, ladies and gentlemen. Let's look at where we start at. Started on January 5th, 2026, ladies and gentlemen. We're down $8,624, ladies and gentlemen. Now we're all the way into May, ladies and gentlemen. Made $110 for $561. Ladies and gentlemen, what can we do next week, ladies and gentlemen? Who knows? But let's look at what it has done here, ladies and gentlemen. For the week, we're at 240, ladies and gentlemen. Let's look for the week. It's down 27 cents, ladies and gentlemen. It was trading above 250 year to date. We're down 10.44, 28%, ladies and gentlemen. Been trading between the $2 and $3 range for the year, ladies and gentlemen. At the high at 463. And there's another lower high at 313. I do have 5,021 shares. I did get 200 shares back because I did some puts, ladies and gentlemen. We're still down $3,210.06, 21%, ladies and gentlemen, on my return. I do have to keep 2,000 shares, ladies and gentlemen, till it get back up to $7. That's my watch sell for them 2,000 shares. The other 3,000, I can do what I want to, ladies and gentlemen, make profit by doing cover calls, ladies and gentlemen. I did believe it. When the earning came out, you don't have none until August 24th. Pre-market. Did get two more at $3, ladies and gentlemen. That means I would have to sell them at $3. I don't want to make any money. But look, I made 23 cents on loans. 23 cents for lending out the stock. Easy money, ladies and gentlemen. Let's look at the cover calls for next week, ladies and gentlemen. Terrible, 254. I'm not doing no cover calls. Puts, you can do a 250 put, ladies and gentlemen, and make $15. I gotta look at where did I buy my other ones, ladies and gentlemen. I can do cover calls if I had some stuff I bought at 250, but I don't want to do that, ladies and gentlemen, because I want to do $3. But I might be sitting on this one. There might not be a video next week on Resolve. If there is, ladies and gentlemen, it'll be a nice short one, because I do have money to put into this, but I don't want to buy no more shares than I have to, ladies and gentlemen, because I'm working on their stock. That video does come out for Rich Tech Robotics on Wednesday. Check out that Wednesday video, ladies and gentlemen. I'm trying to get myself out of that one. And maybe we might come back to this and get more shares, ladies and gentlemen, as soon as we get out of that, out of RR. But, ladies and gentlemen, this is what I'm thinking of doing with my money, how I get out of debt, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next one. Peace out, ladies and gentlemen.